Good evening, students. Welcome to class 11th. I would like to discuss with you the course structure of psychology. Now, if you want to study psychology, you can choose it as an optional subject with your science stream or commerce or humanities. It's an optional subject that you can opt for in all these streams, all the three streams. For psychology, we are using the NCERT textbook, NCERT Psychology textbook. See, this is the textbook that we are going to follow in class 11th. Now let's discuss about the course structure of psychology. The psychology course is divided into two parts. 70 marks is for your theory portion and 30 marks is for practicals. In psychology is a practical subject. Okay, you will have to do practical in this subject. Okay, so 70 marks is for theory and 30 marks is for your practicals. In the book you have 9 chapters. In the textbook you have total of 9 chapters. See, this is the introductory chapter, what is psychology. Then we have methods of enquiry in psychology. This is based on the practical portion. What are the various ways of tests and experiments that we conduct in psychology. Next is the basis of human behavior. Then human development. This is the sensory and attentional and perceptual processes chapter based on perception. Then we have learning, human memory, thinking and motivation and emotion. These are the 9 chapters that are included in your theory, and the practicals will also be based on these chapters only. Okay. The practicals will consist of 2 experiments that you have to conduct, 1 case study. Okay, you have to conduct 2 experiments. This year we will do experiments and you also have to do 1 case study. What is a case study? That I will discuss with you in your class later on, but you make a note that you have to conduct 2 experiments and 1 case study, and during the examination you have to conduct 1 experiment and also write the report of it. Okay, writing the report of it. Other than this, in the practical examination, viva voce examination will also be conducted. Okay, so this is your psychology course structure. This is a very interesting subject and very scoring as well. If you want to opt for it, you will definitely enjoy it. Presently, if you want to go through the psychology textbook, you can definitely download it. You can download the e-textbook from the NCERT website and you can go through the chapters. Alright, wish you all the best and do your best.